Hey, it's on SgtLocksmith here. All right, we're going to do our battery on our flip key remote here, 4-button. This one here is pretty easy to do. Go ahead, pop it open. This is a new remote we're using, so that's why the blade's not cut. Notice you have a seam right here. Go ahead and try pulling the two halves apart. You notice it just comes apart. Once you got that done, look at your remote and you'll notice you've got the seam right here. You got your panic button here, so there's nothing you're going to use on that side. So come back to this side, put your thumb in there with the other thumb, and pry the two halves apart. And when you do that, you'll notice you got this little metal tabs. Do not pry there. You want to go over to the spot where there's not one, take a flat tip or whatever you have that can get up under there, and just slowly lift it up and the battery pops out. Careful not to pry on that side because you'll bend the tabs, and you don't want to push down too far because you don't want to actually lift out your contact points. You notice it does have a plus sign right here. These are newer remotes, as I said, so we're going to put the brand new battery back in, which is your CR2032. And when you put it in, you're going to want to work it in, so you'll want to put it in with those two. And you'll notice it's not wanting to get there, so you stop, pop the battery back out, try getting it in there, push it in towards that direction, and it'll let it drop in. Hey, as you notice, we're going to reassemble it now. Easy to do. Snap the two halves together. Take your two pieces. Yeah. Hey, thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith here. And as you see, you can do this with your basic hand tools that you have. If you would, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, let us know that this video helped you, and check out our other playlists to see if there's anything there you might find of interest. Thanks again, and let's be safe out there.